Let's make lemon blueberry scones. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to a medium bowl and mix. Then add the zest from 1 lemon and whisk. Add 1/2 cup of cold butter which has been grated. Use clean hands or wear gloves and mix until well combined. Add 1 large egg to a small bowl and whisk. Then add 1/2 cup of sour cream and mix. Add it to the large bowl along with 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Gently mix with a spatula or use your hands until well combined. Don't mash the blueberries. Pour it onto a sheet pan lined with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. Then form it together into a fat disc. Then use a pizza roller to cut it into 8 wedges. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. Let cool 15 to 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 1/3 cups of powdered sugar to a small bowl and mix to make the glaze. Pour over the scones, then allow them to dry before serving. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.